Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to another exciting review video. Today, I've got something really special to share with you, the TIMEMORE Store Chestnut C3ESP Pro Manual Coffee Grinder. If you're a true coffee enthusiast like me, then you know the importance of having the perfect grinder to take your coffee game to the next level. And let me tell you, this grinder is a game changer. First off, let's talk about capacity. This bad boy can hold up to 25 g of your favorite coffee beans, ensuring that you have enough for a delicious brew every time. And with its hand-adjustable steel core burr, you have complete control over the grind size, allowing you to customize your coffee just the way you like it. But that's not all. The TIMEMORE Store Chestnut C3ESP Pro also comes with a cleaning brush, making maintenance a breeze. No more fussing with difficult-to-clean grinders. This one is simple and easy to keep in top-notch condition. So, why should you consider getting your hands on this amazing coffee grinder? Well, if you're serious about elevating your coffee experience and taking control of the quality of your brews, then this grinder is a must-have. It's durable, easy to use, and delivers consistent, high-quality grinds every time. But wait, it gets better. I've included a link in the description below where you can purchase the TIMEMORE Store Chestnut C3ESP Pro Manual Coffee Grinder for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret it. So go ahead, click the link, and take your coffee game to the next level. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and coffee tips. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing.